Alright, homework answers. Here we go. So, number 1, we're going to multiply 2 times 2 to get 4. M and 2 plus 3 is 5. So we get 4m to the 5th. Alright, number 2. This is a 1, so 1 times 2 is 2. M to the 1st, because 4 plus negative 3 is positive 1. Next one, 4 times 2 is 8. R to the negative 1. Just ignore the directions for right now. We're not concerned about that. Next one, 4 times 2 is 8. N to the 1st. You don't need to write the 1 if you don't want to. 5. 8k to the 5th, because 4 plus that 1 that's not actually written there. Getting a little bit trickier. So 2 times 2 is 4. X cubed times x to the negative 1 is x squared. Y to the negative 3 times y is actually just y to the 0. So we're not going to write y to the 0. We are going to erase the y because we don't need to write it. Number 7. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we can only combine like variables, so there's nothing like, so we're just going to rewrite everything. 4 times 1 is 4. Let's do the v's. V cubed times v is v to the 4th. U squared comes along for the ride. And the last row, 4 times 3 is 12. Let's work with the a's. A cubed times a to the negative 4th is a to the negative 1. B squared times b to the negative 3 is b to the negative 1. Remember, just ignore that direction on the change it to positive exponents. And the last one, coefficient is 1, so we don't need to write it. Let's work with the x's. So x squared times x cubed is x to the 5th. Remember, we are adding the exponents. And y to the negative 4th times y squared is y to the negative 2. Because we are adding like exponents.